afternoon, children. So today we are going to learn about mineral water as a mixture. That is, yesterday we have discussed about what is a mixture. Mixtures are what substances just the elements just mixed together, we will get a mixture. Without any chemical bonding, if an elements are just mixed, we will get a mixture. The label on so here we can see the label on the bottle of a mineral water. So here it is a mixture of this several minerals, that is calcium, magnesium, potassium, sodium, bicarbonate, chlorine, sulfite, nitrate, iron, aluminium, dry residue at 180 degrees Celsius. This is a dry residue at 180 degrees Celsius. So here there is more just than water in the bottle. This bottle contains a mixture of gases, other water and other substances. So the minerals are dissolved in water. The mineral water is a solution. A liter of water may have about a mineral dissolved in it. So ഇതിൽ കുറേ types of ഇതുണ്ടാവാൻ mineral waterൽ നമുക്ക് കുറേ type of mixtures കാണാനായിട്ട് പറ്റും. And here it is. Okay. So this is about the mixture. So next is compounds and mixtures. അതിന് നമുക്ക് ഒരു എക്സ്പെരിമെൻറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കാം. What is the experiment? Is water a really a mixture? Okay, water ഒരു mixture ആണോ? Is water really a mixture? For that we have to take the drinking water that contains anything other than water. Okay, you are going to investigate if drinking water contains anything other than drinking water. So we need this is the tripod. Okay, this is the tripod. This is the Bunsen burner. This is a tripod. This is a Bunsen burner. ഇവിടെ ഒരു flame കാണുന്നില്ലേ? This is a Bunsen burner. This is the evaporating dish. This is a tongs. Okay, അത് നമുക്ക് ചൂട് നമ്മുടെ കയ്യിലോട്ട് തട്ടാതിരിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി നമ്മൾ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ് tongs. And this is a gauze. ഒരു wire sheets കാണുന്നുണ്ട്, gauze. അതാണ് gauze. And this is a safety spectacle. So this is a safety spectacle. This is the tongs. This is the evaporating basin. This is a Bunsen burner. This is a tripod, and this is a wire gauze. So wear safety glasses. Take care during step 2 as the solution may start to split. Do not touch the evaporating basin with your hand because it may hurt us. Okay, so what we have to do is put some water in the evaporating basin and heat it until it boils. Okay, we have to heat it because we are evaporating it. So because since we are checking whether the drinking water is pure or whether it contains any other mixture, means we have to evaporate it. We know that mixtures can be easily separated. So by evaporation we can see that the water will be evaporated, and if it is having any other substance in that will be remained as a residue. Residue means remnants, and residue nu parayunnathu. So once the water starts to boil, turn the heat and down to continue heating gently. When you have evaporated off some of the water, remove it from the heat. So leave the evaporating basin to cool. The water may take a day or 2 days to evaporate completely. It will depend on the temperature. So use ideas about the particles to explain why water has been evaporated. Because here as we supply the heat energy, what happens, the water will gain energy and they will start breaking the force of attraction between them, and they will acquire more energy and then they will spread out. Okay, so thus it is acquiring energy. What was left in the evaporating basin? If there is any other substance other than water, that will be left in the evaporating basin. Where has the substance come from? Because it is a mixture, so it has in that, was the water used pure water or was it mixture? If the evaporating basin contain nothing other than, if the evaporating basin is empty, means we can say there is nothing other than water. If it contains any other water residue or substances after the evaporation of water, means water we have taken as mixture. Why did you need a wearing safety glasses? Because here we are boiling the water mixture. So if there is a chance that it may split or any other vigorous reaction. Suppose if this water contain any other reacting metals or minerals, means it may have a reaction, vigorous reaction. So that may be chance or split into our eyes. So that's the reason why we have used a safety glasses. So we have studied about what is a compound and a mixture, and difference between a compound and mixtures, and examples of mixtures. So I hope this session is clear. If you have any doubt, you can message me, children. Thank you.